好，大家好，又翻嚟 Brain B 嘅 channel 啦。咁我哋上次就講咗 auditory system 嘅 question bank 啦，咁啊睇咗一個叫做 Ryan test 嘅嘢啦，睇咗 bone conduction 同 air conduction 嘅。咁我哋今次咧就睇翻啲新嘅一個 system 啦，咁就係我哋 chapter 5嘅 part C，咁就係 gustatory system。gustatory system 咧，大多數應該都好少聽過呢個字㗎啦。咁 gustatory system 咧，其實就係我哋成日講嘅 taste system 味覺啊。咁我哋味覺最主要啦，去 detect 味覺咧就會講我哋條脷啦。咁我哋條脷係可以 detect 到5種嘅 basic sensation of taste 嚟嘅，咁包括有 sweet、bitter、salty、sour 同 umami 嘅。咁 umami 咧其實咧就係指嘅一種鮮味啊，一個 savoury 嘅 taste，或者 savoury sensation 啦。咁咧有啲咩食物係會有 umami 嘅味咧？例如 fish、meat、vegetables。breast milk 呢啲都係可以有 umami 嘅 taste 嘅，咁呢啲 generally 嘅 similarity 咧，就係咧呢個 umami 咧，其實都係 detect 一啲glutamate 啦，或者係啲 nucleotides 咁樣嘅 in food。咁我哋平時成日都講就話個 tongue 有個 taste map 嘅，就有一啲地方咧就專登係用嚟detect 某一種嘅 taste。咁咧其實呢種嘅講法咧係比較 misleading 嘅。因為我哋個 taste sensation 咧係 arises from all regions of the oral cavity 嘅 all regions of oral cavity，OK？all regions of oral cavity 唔係 activity 啊 cavity。咁佢唔單係條脷，雖然條脷的確係有 specialized region 嘅，但係事實上就唔係話淨係唔係話嚟依個位淨係可以 detect 到 bitter 就唔係嘅。呢個位可以 detect 到5個 sensation of taste， 全部都 detect 到，但係只係咧佢對 bitter 嘅 activity 嘅 stimulation 可能係比較強一啲咁啫。咁所以成條脷，包括你嘅喉嚨、你個口腔成個部分咧，都係可以咧去有一個 taste sensation 嘅。咁我哋條脷咧係點樣去有呢個 taste sensation 咧？就要靠你嘅 taste buds 啊。咁 taste buds 入邊有 receptors for sensation of taste 嘅。咁呢啲咁嘅 taste buds 咧就 located in 呢啲in different types of papillae。咁有咩 papillae 咧？就例如有一個 filiform papillae 同 fungiform papillae， 咁就 scattered throughout the anterior 2/3 of tongue 嘅。咁大家睇清楚啲咧 ，filiform papillae 咧係冇一個 taste buds 嘅，佢係 keratinized 啦。keratinized 基本上就係 full of 呢個一個 protein 叫 keratin 啦 ，enriched in keratin 啦。咁 keratin 係一個好硬嘅 protein 用嚟整你嘅頭髮嘅，咁所以佢就可以 increase friction for eating。咁除之外啦，嘅 anterior 2/3 of tongue 咧，仲有 fungiform papillae 啦，然後 posterior 1/3咧就有 foliate papillae 啦。咁咧而我哋 separating anterior 2/3 同 posterior 1/3咧就有一個 V-shaped line。咁佢個 V-shaped line 上邊咧就有 circumvallate papillae 啦。咁所以睇翻呢張圖啦，你會見到啦，呢度就個 V-shaped line。然後個 V-shaped line 咧，你會見到呢度有好多circumvallate papillae 啦，然後呢度有好多 foliate papillae 啦。OK，foliate papillae。然後呢度咧就有好多嘅 fungiform 同埋 filiform papillae 啦。咁喺度之中咧，有邊啲係有 taste buds 嘅咧？就包括有 foliate papillae 係有 taste buds 㗎啦。circumvallate 係有 taste buds 㗎啦，同埋 fungiform papillae 係有 taste buds 嘅。咁佢呢啲名咧，其實係純粹係睇一個 morphology， 睇個 taste buds 嗰個外形，就決定佢個名係 foliate 或者 filiform 咧，冇乜特別嘅啲名咧，係啦，唔知都冇乜所謂嘅。係啦，咁個 taste buds 呢啲 papillae 係點咧？咁啊 papillae 喺條脷嗰度凸起嚟啦，咁喺每一個 papillae 中間咧都會見到咧有一個罅隙位嘅，有個 furrow 嘅。咁喺個罅隙位入邊咧，喺個底部咧就有好多咁嘅 taste buds 啊。咁佢睇清一個 taste buds 嘅話咧，就有個 taste pore 啦，然後呢度有好多 microvilli 啦，去 increase surface area 啦 ，for 一個 taste detection 啦。然後有啲taste receptor cell 咁啦，同時有啲 support cell 啦，咁下邊又有啲 basal cell，基本上就係 stem cell 嚟，就係有啲 stem cell 啦，就去 regenerate 呢啲 new 嘅 taste receptor cell 啦。然後到最下邊咧就有啲 dendrons，啲 bipolar nerve 啦，咁就會 form 一個我哋一個俾 taste 嘅一條 nerve 咁，就去個腦嘅。咁咧我 我哋個美國咧用嘅 nerve 比較奇怪一啲嘅，就例如我哋嘅聽覺啦，就一條 nerve 啫，個 CN8 啦，我哋隻眼咧就一條 nerve 啫，咁就 CN2 啦。咁但係我哋嘅 taste 咧就係靠3條 nerve 嘅。咁第一個 anterior 2/3 係靠 facial nerve，OK？anterior 2/3 係靠 facial nerve 嘅。anterior 2/3 係靠 facial nerve。咁呢個 facial nerve 咧有 pseudo-unipolar neurons 就係 have cell bodies at geniculate ganglion 啦，就 terminate in solitary nucleus in the medulla。簡單嚟講就係咧 anterior 2/3 嘅一啲 pseudo-unipolar neurons 咧，佢哋係會入到去 form 一條 facial nerve 出嚟嘅。而 posterior 1/3咧就係 glossopharyngeal nerve 啦。咁佢有個 cell bodies in at 個 inferior glossopharyngeal ganglion 啦，就 terminate in 呢個 solitary nucleus in medulla 嘅。咁至於我哋嘅喉嚨咧，例如 epiglottis 同 larynx 咧就係靠 vagus nerve 啦。咁 vagus nerve 咧就係個 cell body 就 in 個 inferior vagus ganglion 啦，就 terminate in solitary nucleus in medulla。所以其實我哋個味覺咧係靠3條 separate 嘅 nerve 去到我哋個腦入邊嘅，而呢3個 nerve 入去我哋個 medulla 個位都唔同嘅，但係雖然佢入個 location 唔同，最後都會係 terminate in 呢個 solitary nucleus in medulla 嘅，係啦，咁啊叫 solitary nucleus 啦 in medulla oblongata 啦，咁就3條 nerve 就係7啦、9啦同埋第10嘅 facial、glossopharyngeal 同埋 vagus。跟住然後咧啲 second order neurons 就 from 呢個 solitary nucleus 就 ascend in 呢個叫 central tegmental tract ipsilaterally 就直線上嘅，就跟個 central tegmental tract， 然後就 terminate in 一個 ventral posterior medial nucleus VPM。咁所以而家諗翻啦，我哋有啲咩㗎而家我哋例如有學過 LGN 啦，我哋有學過 MGN 啦，咁而家又再學埋 VPM 啦 ，OK？ 而家我哋已經學咗 currently learned 嘅，我哋已經有3個 nuclei of thalamus 啦。咁我哋係 terminate in 呢個 ventral posterior medial nucleus of thalamus 啦，跟住然後個 third order neuron 就 project to primary gustatory cortex in ipsilateral insula。ipsilateral insula 喺邊咧？咁基本上就係我哋個腦咧個 temporal lobe 咪有一個 lateral fissure 或者叫 Sylvian sulcus 嘅。咁 Sylvian sulcus 咧，如果你打開個 Sylvian sulcus 嘅話咧，咁就會入邊咧都會有一層嘅 grey matter 嘅，咁嗰層 grey matter 就叫做 insula 啦。咁例如喺呢個啦，你會見到啦，依度就係個呢係個 frontal 嘅 parietal lobe 啦，睇你點睇咧。咁然後依度就 temporal lobe 啦。咁你依個位咧就係呢個 Sylvian sulcus 啦。如果 Sylvian sulcus 打開嘅話咧，咁你就見到入邊咧。依度咧係有一層 grey matter 嘅，咁依層 grey matter 咧就係叫做 insular cortex 啦 ，OK？insular cortex。咁 VPM 喺邊咧 ？VPM 就喺依度啦 ，OK？VPM。如果你想知之前我哋 MGN 喺呢度啦，同 LGN 就喺呢度啦。咁呢兩忽啦，跟住然後依個就係依邊啦。依個 thalamus 係其中一邊嘅 thalamus 咧，我哋係有兩邊嘅 thalamus 嚟嘅，係啦。咁所以見到啦，我哋就由7啦、9同埋10咁樣咧，就去到呢個solitary nucleus 啦，跟住 solitary nucleus 咧就透過 central tegmental tract 就去到 VPM， 然後 VPM 咧就會去到 insular cortex 啦。咁咧喺我哋嘅 taste perception 嚟講有唔同嘅 hypothesis 嘅。咁有一啲 hypothesis 啦，就話我哋咧係有 individual taste receptors for 一個 single taste stimuli 嘅。咁咧就因為我哋知道咧 different kinds of taste 啦，就 lead to different biochemical cascades。我哋呢啲 taste 咧係講緊個 5 basic sensation of taste 啊。呢5種 sensation of taste 咧，佢分別有唔同嘅 biochemical cascades happened in receptors 嘅。我哋有另外一個 hypothesis 咧。就係話咧 individual taste receptors 就 respond to more than one kind of taste， 但係咧我哋咧就有個 response patterns of many tastes 啦，就例如我哋一個甜味嘅，例如有啲甜好甜，有啲甜可能甜甜地，有啲甘甘地嘅味，有一啲可能甜得嚟有少少鹹鹹地嘅甜感。咁唔同嘅甜咧，有啲科學家就覺得咧就係因為咧唔同嘅 neurons 個 嘅 excitation，而係一個 pattern of excitation 嘅。例如嗰個 excite 先就令到嗰個 excite 啦，咁唔同嘅 pattern of excitation 咧就可能會導致你有唔同嘅 taste sensation。咁呢個咧其實就係用嚟呢個 hypothesis 咧就解釋個 ability to distinguish nuances of flavour。例如我哋唔同嘅酒啦，例如葡萄酒可能幾多年嘅葡萄酒有唔同嘅味啦，你嘅果汁啦唔同嘅橙可能有唔同嘅味啦，你嘅朱古力可能係你個可可豆係烘焙咗幾多個鐘幾耐，咁可能個味又唔同啦。咁就呢啲咁細微嘅變化咧，就有啲科學家就會用呢個唔同嘅 response patterns 去 explain 呢個咁嘅 difference 嘅。咁但係喺暫時嚟講啦，我哋其實都冇一個話好 absolute 嘅一個 theory 啦，去可以解釋到所有嘅嘢啦。咁呢全部都係一個hypothesis 嚟啫，係啦。咁基本上呢個 chapter 就係咁多，好短嘅呢個 chapter， 係啦，得個9個 slides， 咁係啦。咁你睇下呢個gustatory system 啦，你可以睇翻下 brain facts 嘅 chapter 2啦。咁 neuroscience 嗰本書咧又係冇講到gustatory system 嘅。咁呢個 system 都差唔多噶啦，咁就係啦。咁下一個 system 我哋會講咧就係 olfactory system，olfactory 就係嗅覺啦。咁就係啦，咁到時候就再見啦。咁see you guys very soon and bye bye。